Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TurboTax affiliate program for tax filing commissions, full guide step by step clearly. To log into the TurboTax affiliate program, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the TurboTax affiliate program. Press the Enter key to navigate to the web page. Once the page loads, look for the login option, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. You will be prompted to enter your registered email address. Type your email address into the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Double-check to ensure both your email and password are correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password recovery process. After entering your login credentials, click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, you will be directed to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you can view your earnings, generate referral links, and access promotional materials. If you encounter any issues while logging in, check your internet connection. Consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies if problems persist. For further assistance, look for a help or support section on the website. Follow the prompts to resolve any login issues you may have. Now that you are logged in, explore the tools available to maximize your tax filing commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.